Hello and welcome to Out of Spec Motoring. You join me here in Colorado. However, I will not be in the most part of this video. My parents are getting their new Tesla Model Y. It's actually going to be my mom's car, and she owns a Tesla Model 3 Standard Plus. So in this video, you're going to see her talking about her Model 3, what she thought about owning and driving a Tesla. She's not a car person at all. How did she do? We'll find out. She'll explain. There were ups and downs, of course, of electric vehicle ownership. And then I'm going to explain, or actually my dad is going to explain at the end of this video, how they owned this car for free. I'm not lying to you. They genuinely were paid to drive this Model 3. The deal was so good. It held its value so well. Conversely, my Model 3 Performance has lost so much money, and that's mainly because we've put 75,000 miles on it in a year and 3 months. So this is a really best case scenario for resale value. You'll see the numbers at the end of the video. You can watch their delivery, of course. I'll have it all in chapters so you can skip through to the parts you want to see. I'm sure they'd love to see you guys watch them take delivery of their Model Y. They had a blast and they're absolutely loving their new car. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'm going to send it over to my dad now and enjoy the video.
Hi there and welcome to Out of Spec Motoring. Today is going to be an amazing day because my wife Kathy and I are going to pick up our brand new Model Y that we've been waiting for a long time. Couldn't be more excited, and Kyle knows it. He asked us to make a quick video about it. I said, sure, why not? I'll give it my best shot. So let's get into it. All right, so it's time. We're on our way to pick up the new Y. Here is Kyle's mom, Kathy. What are we doing here?
Oh my gosh, well, we're saying goodbye to my really wonderful Model 3 that I love. Her name is Cream Puff, and it's time to get the Model Y, which I'm really, really excited about.
Now, how have you liked, is this your first electric car, right? I think it is.
Well, for the family, no. For me, yes. And remember, I was a little on the fence about driving an electric car because I have range anxiety. And I will say all those fears were put to rest with the help of my wonderful son, Kyle Connor, because he taught me how to manage it. And now I feel like I can take any road trip and I'm good to go.
So what are your top 3 memories of this car, with one of them maybe taking place down in North Carolina at a certain racetrack?
Oh, no. Yeah, you may have seen me before. I'm the one who got spun around on his racetrack. Well, you know, the mom video, that would be me.
Put it a little sideways like this. So you see, I can just do this all day, have a conversation with you.
Okay, let's not. Kyle,
Now we're heading back out on the track. You want to take your glasses off so everyone can see your eyes?
No, because my eyes are closed. That's why. No. That was not fun.
Was that a top 3 memory of the car?
Top 3 memory.
Okay.
And the other one, I guess, is when I picked it up in Florida a year and a half ago, because that was really special, because I was nervous, again, about having a Model 3, having my first electric car. And my other top memory, I'm going to say, is bringing home our little puppy in this car.
Oh,
So,
Bailey.
we love our little Bailey. But it's been great. I love it. And so some of you probably don't know this, but I've been talked into getting a lot of different cars since Kyle turned to be a teenager. He and Dave have influenced me. And so I always
Have we? I didn't.
Yes.
Oh.
So I always
yeah.
go along with it. Go, okay, whatever. But I have to say, from the bottom of my heart, I'm so excited to get the Y. I really want the Y, and I'm excited to get it.
So speaking on behalf of all the women in the world
I don't think I can
who
speak to all the women.
who have concerns about their husbands always saying, or their brothers or whatever son saying, come on mom, or come on sister, you can get an electric car. What are your thoughts on owning an electric car? Is it something you could do? Because I know, tell me about filling up your car with gas.
Oh, that's the best part. I never fill my car up with gas. I never go to a gas station. I never have to get out and get cold. Nothing. It's so great. That's been my favorite part.
And the
Anybody can do this.
And the last question is, you had mentioned range anxiety. Tell me, when you're on a road trip, how easy is it to charge?
It's super easy. I mean, the supercharger network is great, and Kyle has taught us the strategy on how much to fill up and when to take off and all that good stuff, which you know about because you do all the driving on the road trip.
All right, well, good luck with your new Y. Let's go get it. So we have arrived at Tesla Mount Kisco, and we don't know where her car is yet. But what is that over there? Let's go check it out. Let's go.
Okay. Am I going this way?
Yeah, let's go this way. I think that might be it.
This is so pretty. You think this is it?
I do. I know it is the spec, I believe. Let me see what VIN. This is it.
Really?
There we go.
Oh my gosh.
This is it. Wow. It's got 4 wheels, white paint.
Well, should we go in and let me sign for this?
Let's go in.
Okay. Before Kyle Connor comments, I wasn't trying to get in the line. I wanted to leave enough space.
Yeah, I was going to say that parking job
It wasn't
was.
a fail.
That was no, that's not a
purpose.
fail. No, you did that on purpose.
I did. I
Yeah,
wanted to.
absolutely, absolutely.
Sorry, not a fail.
All right, so out with the old,
Bye bye.
in with the new. All right, let's do this. So what are your final thoughts before you?
Final thoughts? I have a lot of thoughts, and they're not final. I'm excited.
All right.
Great. It's fun to be back in the dealership too. I like it over here.
Yeah, it is. Beautiful place here.
Thank you so much.
Very cool. Normally they have coffee and waters, I guess.
Well, nothing's normal in 2020.
That's right. Absolutely. Here's the main man, Manny himself, Mount Kisco, the best. I don't know how many deliveries we've done over the years.
Probably 1,000.
I don't know, man. You've done a ton. You've done a ton. And so Kathy, this is her 3 here. Actually, we got this one down in Florida. You didn't deliver this one.
No, not this one.
Yeah, and then and there's Sheldon. He's checking out everything, and there's Kathy. So and then this is the Y here. So Manny, you got to say hi to Kyle.
Of course. Hey, Kyle. Good to see you. Wishing you the best in everything that you're doing. Very happy for you.
All right.
And, we're here always supporting you.
I'm gonna go in. First time. Here I go. Hello, Model Y. Hello. And by the way,
What?
smells like a new car.
Oh,
Oh, I
excellent.
love that smell.
But Kat, does it have a heated steering wheel?
Well, how would I know? It definitely has. I think it has those groups where maybe I'll have one. I don't
Hopefully,
know.
yeah. The
Fingers
answer is
crossed.
we don't know if it will
Yeah,
or not.
fingers
We're
crossed.
hoping it will.
It's the only thing about Tesla that bugs me is that there's not been a heated steering wheel. So I'm hoping this one will be able to.
Well, there has been for
do
the
that.
X and
Oh, really?
the S.
It had it in the X and the S?
Yeah.
I guess I didn't drive it enough.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, smells new.
So here we are, Tesla Mount Kisco, and there is a special car over here, which is really kind of cool. A green Model 3. Look at that. I noticed one little spot on the front, but I don't think it's anything to worry about. It's probably just a shadow. I'll show you where it is over here. This little spot right here, just tiny. Nothing to worry about. The man, Sheldon, Tesla, putting on the temporary plate. Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.
Well, we've taken delivery. She owns the car now. It's time. It's time to drive home. This is going to be awesome. Here we go. All right.
Let's go. Let's go.
What are you doing?
What do you mean?
Why are you in the driver's seat?
Because I thought I was driving home.
No, out. My car. I drive. Well, this has been such a great night. I want to thank all the guys here at Tesla and Mount Kisco. It's been a great experience. Thank you. To my wonderful son, Kyle. I hope our video lives up to your expectations and your viewers. We are really trying here, especially me. I am so happy with my car, and I guess it's just Merry Christmas to me. Thanks, everybody.
This car was an 11/28/2020 build. It's VIN number 76,400 and something. But what's even more crazy is the deal that I'm going to describe to you here on the last year and a half ownership of Kathy's Model 3. Now, we bought that car on June 30th, 2019. We were down in Florida at the time, and we actually took delivery of the car down in Florida on June 30th, which, if you remember, was the last day of the half of the tax credit. So instead of $7,500 tax credit, we got a $3,750 tax credit. But you're not going to believe what I'm about to tell you. We owned this car for a year and a half, and it cost us less than $250, not factoring in the gas savings. And I'm going to show you how that actually happened here as well. Check this out. Let's get into the numbers. I'm going to start with the punchline. We have owned a Model 3 Standard Range Plus for a year and a half. We put 22,500 miles on it, and it's cost us under $250. How in the world? Let me show you. All right. On June 30th, 2019 was the delivery date of my wife Kathy's Model 3. It's a Standard Range Plus. We got the white interior, got to get the white seats. Pearl white paint. Back then, pearl white paint was a $1,500 option. Today, it's standard. We got the 18-inch aero wheels, autopilot, not full self-driving. The cost was $42,400. Then destination, documentation, $43,600 was the total cost of the car. Now, for a number of reasons, I got a referral credit for, actually, I won a Powerwall with all my referrals. But I didn't want the Powerwall. So I said, can you give me a credit? And they said, sure. So they gave me $5,500 off the price of the car. So the net price of the car was $38,100. And then I had to pay sales tax on the car of $2,419.35. So the total cost of the car before the federal tax credit was $40,519.35. Now, June 30th, 2019, you'll remember that was the last day for qualifying to get a 50% rate off of the $7,500 tax credit, because Tesla had actually hit the 200,000th sale in the previous quarter, or the previous 6 months before that. So the tax credit was cut in half at that time to $3,750. So the net cost of that car was $36,769.35. Now, let's fast forward to the Model Y that we're going to get today. The trade-in that they're giving us, the trade-in value on 12/15/2020 is $33,900. And we're actually having a tax savings on the new Y of 7.75%. See, in the state of Connecticut, what happens is two things. If you buy a car that costs $50,000 or more, instead of 6.35%, you have to pay 7.75% on the entire purchase of the car. So the other thing is that when you trade a car in the state of Connecticut, you actually don't have to pay tax, sales tax, on the value of the trade. So in effect, the total trade-in value after the sales tax savings on the trade-in of the 3 on the Y is $36,527.25. And so the net cost of owning this Model 3 for a year and a half, basically, driving at 22,720 miles, was $242.10. But that's not even taking into account the gas savings that you have. So not only did I drive, or my wife and I drove this Model 3 for free, we actually got paid to drive a brand new Tesla Model 3 over the last year and a half. Now that is incredible. If you look at the actual breakdown of the cost of this particular car, this is a $41,000 base. We're getting the white interior, $1,000. The long range all-wheel drive is an $89.90 option. And I know they're going to be coming out with the rear-wheel drive version at some point, but we want the longer range. It's rated currently at 326 miles. We're hoping that this Y may have the new 82 kilowatt hour battery pack as opposed to, I think it's a 74 or 77 kilowatt hour battery pack that's in the existing Model Ys. We'll see. That may be another holiday release, a little bit more range. We'll see. Hopefully it will have that. We did opt for the tow hitch. Destination's $11.25, documentation fee $75. There's our $100 order fee. So the $53,290 is the total cost of the car. You add a tire fee. I have no idea what that is, but I'm not going to question it. The conveyance fee paid to the third-party vendor. I don't know what that is either. A registration fee, and then the sales tax, which is a lowered amount because of the trade-in on the Model 3. Total cost of the vehicle, basically $55,000, $54,994.73.